A self-managed superfund, SMSF, needs a bank account to function effectively. Here's a quick guide to help you set it up and stay compliant. Your SMSF bank account is essential to 1. Manage the fund's operations. 2. Accept contributions and rollovers. 3. Receive income from investments. 4. Pay expenses and liabilities. How to set up a bank account. Register your SMSF and obtain an Australian business number, ABN. Contact your bank and open a unique bank account in your SMSF's name. Important requirements for your SMSF account. The account must be unique to your SMSF. It cannot be shared with other entities or individuals, such as your tax agent's refund account. Notify the auto of the fund's unique account to enable rollovers. Your SMSF bank account must be kept distinct from your personal accounts, any related employer accounts. While you don't need separate bank accounts for each SMSF member, you must keep accurate records of their entitlements. For each member, track 1. Contributions made. 2. Fund investment earnings allocated. 3. Payments of super benefits, whether as lump sums or income streams. Setting up a bank account for your SMSF is straightforward, but it's critical to follow these guidelines to protect your members' benefits and remain compliant. Need help setting up your SMSF account? Contact us today. Visit our website trustdeed.com.au. You can call us on 02-9684-4199.